Hi dear builder, Karibu to my corner of healing. This is Broken Blueprints, where real stories of Mjengo gone wrong are shared. I wanted us to sit down today just like this, because some stories you don't tell them standing. You tell them when your body can finally rest, but your heart still has something to say. And yes, I'm wrapped in a blanket, no makeup, no perfect hair, and that's not by mistake. It's intentional. This space is not about being polished, it's about being honest. This is not a perfect space, it's a healing one. This is for anyone who gave their Mjengo everything and still got hurt. Have you ever built something with so much love only to watch it fall apart slowly and silently? Not from a storm, not from thieves, but from something hiding under your floor, inside your wall. Today's story is for dreamers, for the hopeful, for the ones who gave it everything and still found themselves asking what went wrong. Her name is Amina, a single mother of 2 boys, soft-spoken and hardworking. She had been building her dream in silence. 7 years of saving in a chama, some months only 800 bob. Do you know what kind of patience that takes? Then came a small plot in Tumau, a cousin who knew fundis, and then she took a bank loan. In November, her house stood, 3-bedroom, a green roof that shimmered in the sun. She cried when the last window was fixed. She was so emotional. She was so happy. She called it Hope House. And truly, it was. But 3 weeks in, that hope started to drip. First, it was the cold floor by the bathroom. Then, the bubbling pains near the skirting board. Maybe it's still curing, she thought. Until one night, at 2 a.m., she stepped onto the living room floor. It was wet. Not tea, not rain, just moisture creeping in. She touched the wall. It was weeping. Can a house cry, builder? Can your own dream turn against you, one drop at a time? Amina didn't know. Her cousin didn't tell her. The fundis didn't mention it. But the house was missing one quiet thing, a damp-proof course. Just a simple plastic sheet, black, waterproof, laid between the foundation and the walling blocks. Without it, the wall becomes a sponge, the floor becomes a wick, the house becomes a riverbank. And when your house starts soaking tears from the ground up, what do you blame? The earth? Or the shortcuts no one warned you about? Dear builder, have you heard your fundi mention DPC? Have you ever seen one delivered or just assumed it's already there? Let me be honest. A roll of DPC costs between 2,000 and 3,000 Kenyan shillings. But the cost of repairing rising damp, much more. The cost of living in fear of your own house, even heavier. Especially if you're on clay soil like Amina. You must ask about damp proofing, blinding, foundation treatment. These aren't luxuries. They are survival. Amina told me something that stayed with me. She said, I still sit in the house, the windows sparkle, and I don't breathe deeply anymore. It's like the house knows something I don't. Have you ever felt that way? Like your house betrayed you? Like you failed your own dream? That's why we are here, builder. Not to shame, not to scare, but to hold your hand and learn what no one taught you. This is Broken Blueprints, where we share real stories of Mjengo gone wrong. And we're just getting started. Next week, I'll tell you the story of a man who let his cousin supervise the entire build. Let's just say, blood may be thicker than water, but it's not stronger than reinforced concrete. If you have a story, something that went wrong, something that cost you peace, send it to me. You can stay anonymous, or you can come sit with me and tell it on camera. The link is in the description. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and if your blueprint is broken, so was hers. But guess what? She's still standing, and so you are. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so that when we upload new videos, you may be notified. See you next time, builder.